Great. Oh, no! I'm so sorry, Springtrap. No, stop it, stop it, stop, stop, stop. There's no way you can run faster than me. Why can he run that fast? Hello, everyone, and welcome to Five Nights at Freddy's Urbex, which I'm assuming stands for Urban Exploration. But apparently in this game, you go around, I think, and Springtrap is in his place, Fazbear Frights, and basically it can listen to my mic, and Springtrap can hear me whenever I talk. So I thought this looked pretty interesting, so yeah, okay, there it is, right there. It's working. It's like a VHS type game. So I guess I gotta be, I don't know how quiet I have to be. Oh my, so what do I do in this game, actually? I don't know what my... Oh. Signals. Oh, it's an EMF. Oh, wait. That's him right there. Oh, right. Okay, well, there's about nothing I can do. Okay, but thankfully that was like the worst jump scare I've ever seen in my life. That was even worse than the FNAF 3 jump scare with the original Springtrap. Okay. I guess I need to shut up. It's so hard to shut up. It's so fun to not shut up. Okay. So we need to get signals. With signals. Oh, I do have a flashlight. Oh. Great. Oh, no! I'm so sorry, Springtrap. No, stop it, stop it, stop, stop, stop. There's no way you can run faster than me. Why can he run that fast? Bro, Springtrap is a... torn apart. He can't even... How is he even walking in the first place? Okay, well... Oh, you can use Q and E to lean around corners. How cool. It's like literally in the past 5 games that I've played, you can do that. Okay. So, I'm assuming the signals are just something I go find. Okay, I'm gonna be really quiet now. Make sure that Springtrap doesn't get me. He saw me. He saw me. He saw me. Get your... I can't go anywhere. Oh my gosh, bruh. Okay. So clearly I'm doing something wrong, and I have a feeling it's just talking. So, you know what? Maybe I just don't talk for a second. Came out of that room last time. He doesn't do it again. Sounds like it. No! 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 I'm sorry, Springtrap! Springtrap! No! I can't run anywhere! Why is he so fast, bro? Why is Springtrap so fast? I don't even know, like, really what I'm... Sprinting is loud. Duh. Where's he at? No! Oh my gosh, I was at 4! I was at 4! No! Man, that took like 6 minutes! Yeah, no, he just wandered over exactly to where I am. He's guarding the puppet. That's not fair. That's not fair that he's just sitting there camping the puppet. I mean, it's the last one. He knows that's the last one I need. He's just trying to be goofy. But sorry that I'm so, like, gassy and stuff. Okay, let me get that one, and, this is making me mad, bro. fine. I have to exit. No, that's dumb. Of course you have to. No, I beat it, basically. I've beaten it. But yeah. Basically, I got all 5 of the signals, so I beat it, pretty much. To eject. Okay. But anyways, yeah, go ahead and check it out for yourself. If you like, being hunted by Springtrap while he can hear you on your mic. So if you fart, you're out. If you sneeze, you're dead. Yeah. So anyways, that was very fun, kind of. I mean, I didn't really like the jump scare, but overall it was pretty scary. I mean, I couldn't make it, so it was good. So anyways, thank you guys so much for watching, and if you did end up liking that, please consider subscribing, and remember guys to always keep God first, and thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one. Bye-bye!